Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting precise data. That means a full eye exam with refraction and corneal mapping. Once done, review medications and eye history because systemic drugs affect focus. Make sure to bring current glasses, contact lenses, and insurance paperwork, these speed decisions. You'll discuss goals, reading, driving, screen time, so be specific. This first step creates the baseline for choosing lenses, drops, or surgery. It prevents wrong prescriptions and sets the timeline for correction. Next, you test practical solutions. Start with trial reading glasses and multifocals to compare near and intermediate clarity. This shows if optics alone solve symptoms. Then evaluate contact lenses, soft multifocals, rigid gas permeable, or hybrid, because lens fit and tear film determine comfort. If surgery is on the table, your clinician will assess corneal thickness, topography, and cataract risk to pick LASIK, PRK, or lens exchange. Once options are compared, you'll weigh recovery time. Finally, implement the chosen correction and follow instructions closely. Wear schedule for contacts, exact dosing of post-op drops, and activity limits after surgery. You'll have follow-ups at 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months to document progress and refine the prescription. If issues arise, ghosting, dry eyes, fluctuating focus, start with artificial tears, lens refit, or temporary spectacles. If persistent, return to your provider for adjustments or enhancement procedures. This completes the pathway and secures last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.